Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to start your own e-commerce business. If you are going to start your own dropshipping business, these are some specific points which you need to keep in mind. One of the major point is dropshipping doesn't need any inventory. You don't need to hold any inventory, and you can start dropshipping business with very less budget. And also dropshipping business is very less risky model. Whenever you open your own e-commerce store and you are going to ship that products directly from supplier without holding the inventory, that business model called dropshipping. Now you will be thinking, if we are not holding the inventory, who is going to manage the refunds? Who is going to manage the returns? Returns and refunds are on the supplier end. If you are not holding any inventory, that means you are not going to handle the returns and refunds. If any customer wants to return the item, you just simply told them to keep the item and ask the supplier to ship the new item to your customer. And second thing is, it's easy to start. You just need to set up your own e-commerce store and start advertising your store on Facebook and TikTok. So a low risky business model means, if you think that business model is not going to work, you can simply change your own products. You can simply test other products and you can check whether people are going to buy these products or not. Whenever we are going to start any business, we always keep one thing in mind: what is our budget? How much budget we can afford to do this business? So that is also main thing which is considered in dropshipping business as well. If your budget is low, you are spending very specific budget on the ads. So you only need that specific budget to market your products to your desired customers. Of course, you will have to buy your own domain name, you will have to get your business name, you will have to register your company as well in the state or in the country wherever you are going to start your own business. So that's mean you just need budget for these kind of things. You don't need to put any budget on the inventory or any other things. You will also need some budget to pay your suppliers, because once you are going to advertise your products and people are going to buy these products, so your payment gateways, they will be holding that specific payout for some period. And once you got a payout from payment gateway, your finances will be streamlined. So you only need a specific budget to market your products, to get your domain, to get your company registered, and some budget to pay to your suppliers until your payment gateway pay your payout to your bank account. Once you have finalized all of the things, now it's time to market your products on the marketplaces like Facebook, like TikTok, Instagram, Google. So there is plenty of marketplaces where you can advertise your products. You need to consider in which marketplace you are going to sell your own products. Market saturation is one of the main thing. You have to check whether they prefer to purchase online or whether they prefer to visit the store to buy the things. Always check the tax regulations and the documents you need once you are going to start your business in that specific location. So you need to protect yourself legally as well by putting the privacy policy and terms of condition pages on your website. To reduce the shipping time, you can also check the suppliers in the market where you are selling your products. Always check suppliers in your own region before finding them out in any other country. Shipping the products from any other country or shipping the products from AliExpress will take too much time and you will be facing shipping delays in your dropshipping business. Product hunting is one of the major things which plays an important role, because a single product can generate thousands of dollars of profit each month and can give you hundreds of dollars in profit each day. I have just made the video about product hunting. You can check the link in the description or above the video as well. In that specific video, I have explained about product hunting and how can you find a winning product. Always try to price the products 3 to 4x of the basic price. Let's say you are going to buy the product at $4, so you need to make sure you are selling that product at least $16 to $20. You can check market trends on TikTok, you can check market trends on Facebook as well. All the advertisers in that specific country which are advertising their products on Facebook ad library will show all the products including description and images on Facebook library. To make some difference from your competitor, you need to add some value to the product, which your competitors are not doing at the moment. Always focus on small niche. Always focus on one product. If you are focusing on one product in the start, that's when you are building the community. You are building the audience around that niche, and you can expand that niche later on. After your products has been finalized and you have taken good photos of that products, now you can set up your own Shopify store. Shopify also has free and paid themes available. You can go in online store and then go in customization. From customization, you can install paid themes or you can install free themes as well. You can customize your product page, you can customize your front page. So these are all the things which you can customize from your Shopify main page. There is a simple drag and drop system which you can use to build your own Shopify store. You also need to set payment gateways as well. Shopify has their own payment system and they work in specific countries, like they work in Australia, UK, Canada and USA. Always make sure to add shipping policy, to add contact us information and to add live chat button as well. For example, a customer is visiting your store and they are not able to find something they are looking for, they can simply leave a message to your live chat and you can reply whenever you are available. So they will get the reply in their email address. Always test the checkout to make sure your checkout is working well. You can also put some reviews of the customer on the product pages as well. The last thing which comes to your dropshipping business or your e-commerce business is scaling your store. So once you are going to scale your business to the brand level, make sure to register the brand in that specific country. Once you have decided to shift your e-commerce or dropshipping model to a brand, you need to order the inventory in bulk from your supplier. And you can set a specific budget to order the inventory in bulks. You will be outsourcing your ads, you will be outsourcing your store management, you will be outsourcing your warehousing, because your major focus will be to track the expenses and keep an eye on in and out of the business. So tracking expenses will help you to scale your business to a next level. I have just made a Discord group where I and my team will be teaching you about dropshipping and Shopify. If you want to join that group, there is a link in the description. Please click on that link and join the group.